Hi everyone, my name is Lalita Dahal and I'm a rising senior majoring in the biological sciences. I got started with my research by going to the university page and just searching up different topics, and I started reaching out to the professors directly. I got to shadow different grad students and I come into the lab. I just saw it was an amazing and friendly environment for me to be in. If you keep reaching out to different professors, you'll definitely get your chance. When we first get our tissues, we make them into thin sheets, put them in a slide, and they would dry overnight. The last step gets rid of the antibodies, and we look at the data. We look at all the colors have been put in, we look at the dilution of the antibodies, and we see improvements that needs to be met. I've had the privilege of working with a variety of mentors, whether they're graduate students or faculty. I think one of the things that I enjoy the most about doing research in general is just the hands-on experience, just because I think it enhances my learning. But I also love going to the lab, learning new information, and being able to provide fresh data for the scientific world.